So I'm very excited. This is one of the things that I like being able to do over the summer. My classroom is all packed up right now, but this company sent me this label maker to try out. It's connected to an app on my phone by Bluetooth. And when they reached out to me to ask me if I was interested in taking a look at it, I immediately thought of this. So I have all these shelves in my room that I have labeled, and some of them only have one thing on the shelf, like djembes. Normally I have other things here right now for the summer, but you get the idea. But some of these small percussion shelves have lots of things on it. And for the most part, like, I'm okay with kids trying to like learn the actual names and figure it out for themselves. But for new kids, when they come in and I'm trying to have, I want students to be able to be independent and get things for themselves. When I say, all right, go get triangles or whatever the thing is. These shelves that have multiple items can be confusing. So by using these labels, and yeah, could I make them myself? Sure. Could I make them myself? Sure. But this has been so easy that it was a task that I sort of had in the back of my mind for a long time that maybe I wanted to do, to actually label these bins. And now I've just labeled all these boxes in like seriously 2 minutes. So let me show you how it works. So here's the printer sitting on my classroom floor. I have it connected to my phone via Bluetooth. That's why the blue light is on. And I just finished printing out these other labels, but I'm going to show you how I did it and how easy it is to just make a bunch of different ones that are all matching for your classroom. So this is the app. And you can make it very fancy. You can design a whole label in whatever software and like export it as an image and then save it on your phone. You can save images from the internet to add. You can change the font, the spacing, the size, obviously, the way that it's aligned. You can do all kinds of stuff, but I just found one font that I like, that sort of is easy for kids to read but is still I that matches sort of my what I have in my room already. And then I just it automatically saves the first one that I made, so then I just change the text and now I click print, and it prints in seriously 2 seconds. Like, I go back over to show you and it's already done. So I came back home and I asked the company if they had any sort of discount that they can give to people, and they did give me a discount code. It's only good until the end of July, which will go through Prime Day. So I don't know, that may be worth checking out, but I'll try to put the code right here for a 15% discount if you want to get a label maker. I will probably be using this around my house as well, and if I do, I'll make another video to show you what I did with it. But the link for the label maker I'll put in the description. If you need the link, just let me know and I can send it to you. I definitely recommend checking it out because it's one of those things that like I could do on my own, but this just made it so that I actually got off my butt and did the thing. And now I have all these labels just because it was so fast and easy. So highly recommend checking it out.